Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be going over how to factory reset a MacBook. So the very first step before we go into the factory resetting is to go and sign out of your iCloud account and your messages account. So first we're going to go into iMessage and we're going to go into preferences and click on sign out. Now that we're signed out, we can close out of that and go into system preferences and do the rest of signing out of our iCloud account. Alright, so right now I can't show you how to go and sign out of your iCloud account, but there will be a menu down here where you can click on that and uncheck a bunch of boxes. And when you uncheck all those, then click sign out and you're going to be signed out of iCloud. I've already done this process, so that's why I can't show it to you right now, but we're just going to go ahead and close out system preferences and restart our Mac. After signing out of those accounts, then we can shut off the MacBook, and immediately once we turn it on, hold down Command and R while restarting. Now we can see that we booted into macOS recovery mode, and we can go on to the next step. So the next thing you'll want to do is go down here into Disk Utility. Click Continue. Alright, so now that we're here, what you're going to want to do is go up to the View menu, click on that, and click on Show All Devices. You don't have to do this on every single Mac, but apparently on some MacBook Air models like this one, you have to do that in order to get the disk volumes that you need to erase. So what you're going to want to erase is down here, Container Disk 2. Click on that, or whatever is right below your SSD, and click on Erase. Now you can just keep it as macOS hard drive. Keep it under APFS if you're going to put on something like macOS Catalina or Big Sur, and click Erase. Alright, now we see that it is all done. Click on Done over here, and we can close out Disk Utility. Now we want to click on Reinstall macOS. This will install the latest version that was previously installed. For us, it's going to be macOS Catalina. Hit Continue, and we're going to go through the setup process. Hit Agree, Agree again, and we're going to select the Macintosh hard drive, or whatever else you named it, as our install disk. Click Install, and also remember to plug it into a power supply. Now that it's plugged into a power supply, it'll start the installing process, and in about 14 minutes, it should be done and reset to factory settings. If you found this video helpful or useful in any way, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like if you want to see more tech content like this every week. If you have any questions, drop those in the comment section below and I'll respond there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.